Sick of typing clunky URLs on your TV? Yeah, me too. Let's fix that fast with downloader codes.
So, what's a downloader code? It's basically just a quick number shortcut. No more typing out whole web addresses.
Before we jump in, double-check your settings. Make sure you've enabled unknown sources on your device. Crucial step.
Step 1. Make absolutely sure the downloader app itself is actually installed on your TV. Ready? Let's go. Open up that downloader app. You'll see a search box right in the middle. Go ahead and click it.
Let's try one out. The code 250931 is literally a master key to the awesome TroyPoint toolbox.
Just punch that 6-digit number straight into the search bar and hit go. Super simple, right?
Now, just hold tight for a sec. The app is going to automatically redirect you. Almost there. Boom, success. You're now completely inside the TroyPoint toolbox. It's like a whole new world of apps.
From here, just scroll around. You can instantly install any of these streaming apps straight to your device.
Hit a snag. Usually it's an expired code, zero storage space, VPN issues, or unknown sources being off.
Quick safety check, guys. Always fire up a trusted VPN when you're downloading these unverified third-party apps.
You've got thousands of hidden apps waiting for you. So, which code are you going to try first?